In today's video lesson, we are going to learn how to write a number as a product of its prime numbers. So after this video, you should be able to write a number as a product of its prime numbers. So, step number 1. We're going to do it in two ways. We're going to divide the number by its smallest prime number, and then we're going to divide that answer by the smallest prime number that answer or that number can be divided by. Now, the first number that we're going to look at is the number 30. So as we said, we're going to divide that number by the smallest prime number. Smallest one is 2 that number can go into. Answer is 15. We can't use 2 anymore because 15 divided by 2 will give you a remainder. So we'll use the next smallest one, which is 3. 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. We can't use 2, we can't use 3 because those answers will give a remainder. So we'll use 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. We got to 1, so now we can write it as the product. So 2 times 3 times 5 is equal to 15. The next example we're going to look at is we're going to write 112 as a product of its prime numbers. So we start by writing 112. We'll divide it by its smallest prime number, which is 2. And 112 divided by 2 is equal to 56. 56, we can still use 2. 56 divided by 2, 28. We still use 2 because 2 divided by 28 is 14. We can still use 2. 14 divided by 2 is 7. We can't use 2, we can't use 3, we can't use 5. Now we use 7. 7 divided by 7 is 1. We add 1, so now we can write as a product of its prime numbers. 2 times 2 times 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 times 2 times 7 be equal to 112. And that's how you write a number as a product of its prime numbers.